everyone, my name is Shikha and you guys are watching YourPedia platform, the largest and the most authentic platform which is making you prepare for every kind of interview preparation. So this particular video is specifically for the post of like electrical engineer executive trainee in Cochin Shipyard Limited. So yes, you might have think of that what should we prepare related to organization, related to Cochin Shipyard Limited. So yes, I am going to provide you some relevant information related to I would say management, mission and vision, products and services, current projects, and lot of things are there, plus important and expected HR question also I am providing you in this particular documentation. So watch this video till end and let's get started that what we need to be prepared about Cochin Shipyard Limited. Let's get started, guys. Cochin Shipyard Limited is a mini Ratna company under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, right? So yes, all those aspirants who are preparing for the executive trainee post, they must prepare this particular interview documentation for the interview, I can say, to ace the interview. First of all, Cochin Shipyard Limited, they will firstly ask you that when it has been incorporated, that is in 1972, and it specifically holds 72.86% of government, right? As I can say it out, the company has been built and delivered the prestigious indigenous aircraft carrier for Indian Navy and has built and repaired some of the largest ships in India as well. So yes, they can also ask you that CSL, how many or in which countries it has been exported its vessels and its products and services. That is, it has been exported maximum, or you can say approximately 47 vessels to some of the most demanding clients in Norway, Netherlands, Cyprus, USA, Germany, Denmark, Bahamas and Saudi Arabia and UAE, right? So yes, they can also ask you related to this. These are some generic information related to like Cochin Shipyard Limited that you need to be check it out. As India's top 10 public sector undertakings, CSL has been rated excellent by the government of India 4 times in row for achieving the targets. That you need to be aware when it comes to why you want to join Cochin Shipyard Limited, right? So yes, they will also ask you that where is the headquarter of Cochin Shipyard Limited. That is in Kochi, Kerala, India. Okay, that is very important, very basic question. If you are not aware about that, is make you in trouble also. Yes. This is milestone achieved. Cochin Shipyard cut steel for new SOV for North Star Shipping Limited UK. This is in UK basically. Again, this is in key laying of 7th ship, that is in Kochi, where for shallow watercraft. As you can see, this is a procurement plan for the next 5 years. These are the plans for, I can say, information regarding procurement plan of machinery. You can just check it out. It's very good to be, it's not too important, but yes, it should be important for your general information. Startup engagement program of Cochin Shipyard, right? Key focus areas. Now, Cochin Shipyard Limited, where it is focusing basically, what is the area of focus or central area of focus basically? That is smart technologies and automate, right? Artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize process, autonomous ships and ROVs, simulation, I can say improving the life of coastal communities, direct transferable product applications, improving earnings from fishing, enhance cargo and passenger movement by internal waterways and coastal shipping. So these are some central objective of, you can say, of Cochin Shipyard Limited. Coming towards this implement partners who are, that is I can say, yes, this is laboratory for innovation, venturing and entrepreneurship, funding schemes, seed fund scheme, okay, pilot grant scheme. And what about CSL history? They can also ask you when it has been found, right, and how when it has been incorporated. This is about the history, as Cochin Shipyard was conceived in the year of 1969 basically, and then later on it has been incorporated with Government of India as well. See, the company was legally incorporated in the year 1972. We have just read in before as well. That you need to be about, you can read it about history. It's very also important. Credentials, that is shipbuilding. Shipbuilding basically has built various types of vessels including tankers, bulk carriers, port craft, reputed international clientele, currently building platform supply vessels for export and aircraft carrier. Okay. Next comes ship repair. only shipyard in India that can repair ships up to 1,25,000 DWT. Okay, that secured 3 major projects from ONGC for repairs of mobile offshore drilling unit. Sagar Vijay mobile offshore drilling unit, yes. Offshore, that is also the it's kind of the products, or I can say the focus area. Others are conduct marine engineering training, basic and advanced firefighting courses, that it is also giving you. Location, that is in Kochi. First of all, CSL main shipyard at Kochi, Kerala. Okay, wholly owned subsidiaries कौन सी हैं? That is Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited and Udupi Cochin Shipyard Limited, that is in Karnataka and West Bengal. Now, who about the management you must aware about. I can say this is Shri Madhu S. Iyer. This is the chairman and managing director of Cochin Shipyard Limited, that you need to be aware. Okay, these are official portrait 2021, Thakur in 2024. Products and services, it is mainly focuses on production aircraft carriers, tankers, bulk carriers, platform supply vessels, petrol boats, diving support vessels, right? And what about services? Ship design करता है, ship building, ship repair करता है, marine engineering and training institute and Vigyan Sagar, right? These are some products and services of Cochin Shipyard Limited. Shipbuilding, as you can see, these are the main in a shipbuilder, tankers, product carriers, bulk carriers, passenger vessels. अगर ship repair की if I have to talk about, that they are doing so, इसमें कुछ major important कुछ projects भी लिखे हैं उसके related, that you can read it out. Some major repair projects I can say, that is INS Virat, INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant of Indian Navy. These are some major repair aircraft carriers project of CSL. Geographical expansion in pan-India presence, that you can also check it out. That is in CSL is the only yard in India which is capable of providing ship repair services in both west and east coast of India. That is Cochin Shipyard में east और west में दोनों में ही अपनी services majorly provide करती है. ठीक है. Marine engineering, you can see CSR activities. It is contributing to health and nutrition. It is education basically to development of human capital, and you can say it out, yes, improving quality of education, creating infrastructure. Heritage and culture. Aspirational district. Cochin Shipyard has identified the tribal district of Vian and the aspirational district to provide CSR on priority. Right? Empowerment, environment. Subsidiaries are Hooghly Cochin Shipyard Limited, Udupi Cochin Shipyard Limited. These are two subsidiaries of Cochin Shipyard Limited that you must aware about. Udupi Cochin Shipyard Limited incorporated as Tebma Engineering Private Limited first of all on 9 July 1984 as a private non-government company. Then it has been its changed its name Tebma Shipyard Limited, and later on it has been gone to, I would say, that is in April 2022, that is Udupi Cochin Shipyard Limited. Financial performance you can check out, just highlights कि कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ है या क्या हुआ है, ये आप जरूर चेक कर लीजिएगा. इट्स गुड फॉर योर नॉलेज. Recent projects, I can say anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft, INS Mahe, INS Malpe, Magadhala and Machilipatnam. ठीक है. Next generation missile vessel NGMV is the another one major projects basically. Tugboats for Adani ports and SEZ. INS Vikrant maintenance. So these are some major projects. Now the very important question they will ask you basically, why do you want to join Cochin Shipyard Limited? At that moment what you're going to be highlight, that is, I can say it out, it's a prestigious organization. First of all, it is providing you career growth opportunity. Also you can say it out, public sector undertaking, obviously it is known for its high standards, job security and growth opportunity. But please do not mention any salary or promotion like that. Opportunities are a lot of there in defense projects as well. Career growth and learning opportunities are there. Global exposure and innovation, as CSL is also giving in services as global level. Contribution to nation building as well, as CSL means contributing to India's defense capabilities, and it is actually contributing towards that, right? So this is about the all generic information. Now I would like to ask, I can say discuss with you some important HR question related to Cochin Shipyard Limited. Okay, whatever we have discussed that are very relevant information related to Cochin Shipyard Limited. What are the which are the subsidiaries, where it has been located, and all the things. So that we need to be prepared it out well. About talking about this HR questions, first of all, introduce yourself, then what are your strengths and weaknesses, what are your hobbies and interests. That all can be your generic question. Why do you want to join Cochin Shipyard Limited? What do you know about Cochin Shipyard Limited? What are the major products and services of Cochin Shipyard Limited? These are some generic HR questions, important one. Current project, recent projects, what are your short term and long term career goal? Why should we hire you? क्यों स्ट्रेस के अंदर आप कैसे काम करोगे, बेसिकली रेलेवेंट स्किल्स बताइए जो इस रोल के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हैव यू वर्कड ऑन एनी शिप बिल्डिंग और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स बिफोर, आपने पहले कभी काम किया है सर. हैव यू एवर लेड ए टीम, और क्या चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए हैं, कोई कंफ्लिक्ट आपने हैंडल किया हो अपने कलीग्स और सीनियर्स के साथ. ठीक है, इंडियन शिप बिल्डिंग इंडस्ट्री के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं, एंड हाउ डज CSL कंट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड्स इंडियाज डिफेंस सेक्टर. Key challenges faced by shipbuilding companies today. CSL अपने global competitiveness को कैसे improve कर सकती है, and describe a time when you had to work under tight deadlines. Example of a time when you handled multiple tasks efficiently, and how do you stay updated with the latest trends in your industry. So yes, these are some important and generic I can say expected HR questions related to Cochin Shipyard Limited. So friends, in this particular video I have covered all the relevant information plus expected HR question related to Cochin Shipyard Limited. So all those aspirants who are preparing for Cochin Shipyard Limited, they must go through this particular documentation which you can download from your PDF panel, can read it out and can prepare it well. It's very important information from your interview point of view, and yes, you can prepare with your PDF mentors by attending different HR session, mock session, technical slams, and lot of things are there. So all the very best, good luck, and if you found any query, any doubt, you can just reach out to us, your Pedia. Good luck.